Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You add a valid card to Apple Wallet first, because Roblox uses your device's payment method. Once done, make sure your billing address in Wallet matches the address on your Roblox account. Mismatches often block purchases. You also update iOS and the Roblox app now, so the Apple Pay option appears. Finally, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick confirmation, and log into Roblox to verify your account country and purchase permissions before attempting a Robux buy. You open the Roblox app and navigate to the Robux purchase page or any in-game store where Robux is sold. Next, pick the Robux bundle you want, tap Buy, and when payment options show, select Apple Pay. Make sure to review the amount, taxes, and total. Apple Pay shows a billing summary. Then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This confirms the charge. Once authorized, wait for the confirmation screen. Robux are delivered immediately in most cases. You verify the purchase by checking your Roblox balance and the App Store purchase history. Confirmations usually show instantly. If the transaction is declined, make sure the card is active, has sufficient funds, and that Apple Pay is allowed in your region. Sometimes banks block in-app charges. If you see a charge but no Robux, restart the app and check pending transactions. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with your receipt or Apple support for payment issues to resolve holds or refunds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.